Kubor baman kasngi, awalam shapi da unang yalam ni.
Kalong kabaysay halor ka railway ong ukonrat bakumbang ila juyakren bat pensay barabor bangidon kam ban ïatai saniba kumta ila form ya committee bat kani committee kan Khot ya ki party meeting ban ïatai halor kan ka Phang hakani ka meeting ila ban suthu kino ki bamenjur bat kino ki bomenjur bat bangin sesiem ya korai hadin bangilayo ban yakren bat ïatai bat kiwei pekiwei nakliang jo ka Sorkar kan sopen suthu bat pensay pat ba halor ka jingdon kam jong ka railway station bat kijimmentoy ki bangiyo nakjingdon jong ka railway.
I'm very clear on the railways. I've mentioned this many times that it's a sensitive issue, and hence for us as a government we have been very clear that we will only move forward once we have a consensus, once we have dialogue and discussion, and we have some sort of agreement on how we can move forward in this together. And that is why, keeping that in mind, we had formed a committee. Committee means we had called a meeting, for an all-party meeting to discuss this matter. And of course, most of the parties didn't come to the meeting, and they just, in fact, some of them even wrote to us saying that we will not be part of this discussion. So that's where we stand. So we have to understand that whether we agree or we disagree, until unless we don't talk, we're not going to reach anywhere. So if you don't want to talk also, and then at the same time when we try to do something, then you say that why are you doing it now and why didn't you discuss with us? It's difficult to move forward. So we are very clear, we are going to move forward only when we are able to consult and get everybody on board, and we will not move forward with anything until unless there is some sort of consensus in this. And continuously we are trying to engage with everyone, and we will continue our engagement. We will continue to explain to people about the benefits of this, and we'll try to address the concerns that they may have and see if we are able to come to a meeting point, following which we would be able to take it to Delhi.
Banyo iki kubor baman kasngi, subscribe yaka channel Ulong Yalam News. Kumle shibu.